Hi everyone, I am super excited that we finally received this outdoor gazebo. This one is specific for our place. It is 11 by 13 and it is a great fit for the outdoor setting that we have here. First off, everything is individually packaged. It has all the tools and details that you need to put this together. It is most helpful if you use the instructions and have multiple people helping you out as you see up here. This gazebo is very durable. It is great for multiple weathers. It has a sturdy metal frame with built-in lights to it. I can see us hanging out here with the family or even doing some yoga in the morning. The roof is double layered, which you are looking at the first part of the setup. The first and inside of the gazebo has a hook that you can either turn on a fan, a light, or even some beautiful flowers. This gazebo is made of rust-proof iron and is sturdy and durable. It is built to last. The waterproof top of the gazebo comes with built-in grommet holes to provide the necessary drainage. The roof of the soft top gazebo is made of polyester fabric, which can withstand bright light and toxic UV rays at the same time. The double-layered roof design allows air to circulate, creating a ventilation system that keeps cool and comfortable even on hot summer days, which are coming up. This canopy tent includes detachable curtains and netting. It can be adjusted through double track system. You can keep out the bugs while still enjoying the outdoors with plenty of air circulation and visibility. These sidewalls provide a safe and comfortable environment for your family and children. It also provides lights on each of the corners, which is pretty cool. It fits about 6 to 8 people. Great space for a party. These lights are operated by battery. Gazebos are a must-have for your backyard. Whether you're spending alone time or hosting someone, this is it. I am super excited about the 2 layers of the curtains and the netting. The Bluetooth speaker is so exciting to play music while you're partying. And the cool part that it just attaches, it's magnetic. When we installed it, it was a nice, fun, and hot day. Looks gorgeous. But the next day we had a huge weather change and the gazebo still withstood it. It was crazy wind and hail. This is definitely proof that this gazebo is a must-have for your backyard. I hope you enjoyed this gazebo as much as I will. I love hosting with my family, and this is going to be a great help, especially with unpredictable weather at times. Here's our family enjoying some game night and dinner underneath this perfect gazebo. No matter the weather, we can always hang out in it. This is a must-have.